Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to create callouts in Google Sheets on Backspace. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Google Sheets software and we can see here some text. Now you want to create the callouts to this spreadsheet. Go to the insert menu and go to the drawing option. Then select the shape drop down menu and go to the callout section. You can see here many callouts, like you can select this oval callout or this cloud callout or rounded rectangle callout or the rectangular callout. Now I am select one by one. Now I am firstly create this callout. Go back again and insert another callout. Now we can see we insert or create callouts easily. You can change the color of this callout or change the outline color. Now I am select this fill color and change the color of the callouts. Then click save and close. Now you can see here the callout. You can edit this. Click this three dot menu and go to the edit option. Now we can see we create the callouts very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video easily. Thanks for watching.